Lung cleanser for smokers and ex-smokers. Smoking may cause various diseases including diabetes, stroke, cancer, heart disease and lung diseases. Therefore, cleanse the lungs and eliminate all toxins means that you can prevent all these serious health problems regardless whether you are a smoker or non-smoker. To prepare this amazing medicine, you need 2 tablespoons turmeric powder, 3 to 4 onions, normal sized ginger, cup of sugar, 1 liter of water. First off, all take water into a bowl, then add sugar and boil it. Chop the onions and the ginger and add them into the mixture on the heat. Once the mixture is well boiled, add turmeric and lower the temperature to medium. Cook the mixture until only 1/2 of its total amount is left. In the end, strain the remaining mixture and place it in a glass container. Let it cool on a room temperature. Consume 2 tablespoons of this miraculous lung cleanse on a daily basis, 2 hours after the meal, in the morning and in the evening. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos.